naka-display na po. Ang luto yan guys is meatballs with pastel. Napakasarap yan. Pwede rin sweet and sour kung gusto nyo, o mushroom sauce. Ang sauce niyan, ang meatballs. Ito guys ang sauce ng pastel. Cheese, onions, melon, butter. Yan guys, sarap yan guys. Suwag yan lasa yan. Napakasarap. Parang carbonara. Pwede yan sa carbonara sauce. Ganyan lang yung mga sauce ng pastel. Meatballs pastel. Yan lang guys. Hahaluin guys. Ito na guys, lumapot na. Ayan. Ganyan lang guys. Lapot. Ganyan lang guys ang meatballs pastel. Okay. Napakasarap po yan guys. Parang kumakain ka ng chicken pastel. Ito naman meatballs. Ang dali lang ingredients guys. Guys, mga ingredients lang, saglit lang. Carrots, itlog, yan, pamienta. Yan. So subscribe ka aking channel, Ram Vlog 29. Maraming salamat.